Alright folks, just making a quick video. 2017 BMW 330i twin turbo. This is my daughter's car. I am a classic Chevy guy, so this is my first time in a BMW. She had a coolant leak, couldn't see where it was coming from. Come to find out through research and several videos on YouTube, this coolant line here is the typical culprit. What happens is the tips break off, just like that. So that coolant line goes from right here, your reservoir tanks. I know they got some fancy names, but I'm not into all that. But anyways, that line goes from there up underneath the intake behind the alternator, and it comes out right back there. You can see it glaring in my camera. I'm not gonna stick a light down there. Anyways, I started watching videos, taking off the intake manifold, until I read someone's comments and said, you don't have to do that. You can actually reach around with the hose and go behind the alternator and then pull off this bracket right here. This bracket bolts onto the front of the block right here, and then bolts on to the throttle body. Pull off this this bracket, excuse me. You gotta undo this harness right here. And with the flashlight, you can see back there where that hose comes out. They're quick snaps. Get a small screwdriver, pull that clip back, and this piece just pops right out. Believe it or not, I don't have very big hands or arms, but you can actually reach right through here and reach all the way around behind the alternator and almost touch the tip of this side of the, excuse me, my camera got out of focus, and almost touched this side of the hose. So there's room back there for you to reach. So don't go through all the trouble like I did, start to try to take off this intake manifold and disconnect everything when you don't have to. Just trying to save you some time. And then clips here, like I said, take off this black bracket right in the front. I'll show you again, this bracket right here. Take that off, and you got a clear shot of where that hose is at. And again, like I said, my hand went all the way around. I was able to wrap around behind the alternator and come back to the block and pull it off by hand. So hopefully it'll save you half day's work like I had to go through. But anyways, good luck guys. Oh, and real quick, the part number is 1712-8677244. And they're able to look it up, and I think the part number's changed. But anyways, BMW carries it. It was 55 bucks at Fresno BMW. But anyways, good luck guys.